This is a trusted recipe that will take care of your joints. You only need a few ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. First, grab a container and drop in a few bay leaves. They have a soothing effect and help your body relax. Next, add a handful of cloves, about 1 tablespoon. Their natural oils gently warm and bring relief. Pour in some vinegar, ideally 10% strength, to draw out the herb's beneficial properties and boost the overall effect. Add a spoonful of VapoRub to give the mixture warming and soothing qualities. Mix everything well and let it sit overnight, so the ingredients can blend together. Soak a cotton pad in the mixture and gently massage it into your knee. Then, just go to sleep. In the morning, you'll wake up with a feeling of lightness and full comfort. This mixture doesn't just work for knees. You can also use it on sensitive areas like wrists or around the ankles. It provides warmth, relaxation, and a pleasant sense of ease. It's a simple, natural remedy that has helped my family for years.